Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the essentials: Node, JS, a Java development kit, and your CLI tool of choice. Install JDK 11 and minimal Android SDK command line tools. This avoids Android Studio. Once done, install Expo CLI or the React Native CLI globally so you can scaffold projects. Make sure to accept SDK licenses via SDK Manager. That step prevents emulator errors. Now create a new project with Expo in it or npx React Native in it, and keep terminals open for the next configuration steps. Once your project exists, configure SDK packages using SDK Manager. Install platform tools, platforms, Android 33, and system images you need. Then set Android home and export path to platform tools and tools/bin so CLI tools are reachable. Create an AVD with AvManager and start it with emulator avd, or connect a physical device with USB debugging enabled. Make sure a DB devices lists it. This gives you a runnable target without Android Studio. Finally, run yarn Android or npx React Native run Android to build. You finish by building and testing from the command line. Run /gradlu assemble debug inside Android, then install via a DB install. That avoids any IDE. Use Hermes to improve performance or temporarily disable minification when debugging. If the build fails, run a DB logcat and gradlu stacktrace to see the root cause. Check that SDK licenses are accepted and that path variables point to correct SDK. If the emulator is stuck, kill a DB server and restart it. This resolves most connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.